everybody, this is Chad with Fishman Flooring Solutions, and welcome to our new video series, the Product Knowledge Minute. Today we'll be talking about the features and benefits of MAPEI's Universal Pressure Sensitive Adhesive, ECO 373. ECO 373 is a super aggressive pressure sensitive adhesive that's designed for the installation of a wide variety of resilient flooring types. It's been specifically formulated to provide extended working time and can be applied using a trowel or roller depending on the level of tack that is required for the flooring that's being installed. ECO 373 will give you 12 hours of working time, which is one of its biggest advantages. It also has super aggressive tack properties and dries quickly after the installation. It's a great adhesive for residential or commercial applications. ECO 373 is approved for luxury vinyl tile and plank, vinyl enhanced tile, quartz tile, bio-based tile, fiberglass reinforced vinyl sheet goods, solid vinyl sheet goods, and more. As you heard, ECO 373 has some great features and benefits for a wide variety of flooring. If you need more information, I've included a link to the specifications below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Product Knowledge Minute.